Hi, my name is Dave Brewington, Services Manager for INS. Welcome to the INS Product Spotlight. Today we're going to discuss a very unique project where we partnered with Cradlepoint, and I've invited Michelle Obrochta to be with us from Cradlepoint.
Yeah, thanks for having me. I'm really excited to discuss this case study because it was so unique. But before we get into that, why don't you tell us what you do at INS?
At INS, I'm the Services Manager. We have several field service engineers that support our customers and the products that we distribute in deploying, maintaining, and supporting their networks and different products that we provide for them.
So this use case was very siloed into SCADA. So how did that fall into your lap?
Yeah, so ARB is an oil and gas midstream company. They have a very small and lean IT department where they needed to upgrade their SCADA system as well as upgrade their traditional networking and their cellular network for a lot of their well sites.
And from my understanding, they had a very strict timeline. What kind of solution did you offer them in order to fit that timeline?
Yeah, so with Cradlepoint, we implemented the NetCloud perimeter solution to help implement what the requirements they had at their locations was each of them had very unique subnets at those locations. Changing things there would require a lot of work. And because of the timeline they gave us, we landed upon NetCloud Perimeter to help us roll that out, which didn't care about what the IP subnets were at some of these well locations. As well as on top of that, in the middle of the project where we'd already developed the detailed design for both the SCADA and the network, they acquired some new assets between Texas and Oklahoma, which required us to then shift gears and implement this whole project within a 3 or 4 month timeline.
Absolutely had to be scalable.
Yeah, absolutely was scalable and easy to deploy and support for their IT staff as well.
Sure. So what made you, INS, choose NetCloud Perimeter? What was the defining call of this is the solution?
Yeah, so with NetCloud Perimeter, the big thing was the security that it provided for them. So no matter where they were or how they implemented it, it was very secure and abstracted network that Cradlepoint maintains that whole encrypted network for them. They didn't have to worry about securing it with firewall. That's all secured by you guys. So we implemented that as well as helping them to deploy the solution that would help them maintain the equipment and secure the equipment at the remote well locations as well. NetCloud Perimeter is just the perfect solution for them.
So do you see this as being replicable on other SCADA customers?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, for sure. We've got other customers, other SCADA customers that are looking to do this and have done this. And NetCloud Perimeter by far is one of the easier solutions, and particularly for the end user to learn. So through NetCloud Manager, we were able to work with the customer, again, very lean IT staff, and help them understand how to support, maintain the modems that are out in the field, as well as just keep the network up and rolling.
Sure. So it sounds like you guys have stapled this solution for oil and gas or SCADA. So what's our next project?
They've got a lot of other well sites that they're implementing right now that we're helping with them, and we've got other customers that are looking to use NetCloud Perimeter as well.
Well, I'm looking forward to those projects.
Thanks, Michelle. We appreciate you coming today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for coming, and we'll see you next time.